Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can redeem codes on your Bigo Live app. To do so, first of all, do make sure you guys connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure of that, just open up your Bigo Live. And here, after opening up your Bigo Live, you need to go on to me or into the profile, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. After going on into your profile, you just have to go onto your wallet. And here, after going on to wallets, you can see an option to either go on to diamonds or beans. From here, go on to beans. Now let it load up on your screen, and after some time it will load up. Here you can see these options under beans, and an option for Bigo Store is also there. Now click on Bigo Store. And here, if you go on to Bigo Store, these options will be on the screen. From here, you can select any kind of gift they want to redeem. Just click on redeem and go on to live, and you'll be able to redeem all the items that are available on the store. And that's how you can go on to your Bigo Live and redeem codes on your Bigo Live. I'll show you guys again. You just need to go on to me, and after that go on to wallets, and after going on to wallets again go on to beans, and from here you just have to go on to the Bigo Store. And after going on to Bigo Store, you can see all the options that you can choose to redeem, and after that click on redeem, and you'll be able to go to live and redeem your gifts. And that's how you can redeem code on Bigo Live. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.